Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to enable payments on your Wix website so that you can start collecting money from your customers for your products, services or bookings. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for wix.com. Once you are on the official website of Wix, you need to simply provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now this is your Wix dashboard where in the left hand section you need to just try to find the accept payments option. This option is in your settings, so click on your settings and here select the option of accept payments. Now here you will see a bunch of different payment options like credit, debit card, PayPal, Stripe and some of the manual payment options as well. Now if you want to try to find any other payment methods, for example you want to find PayPal over here, so you can also change your business location by clicking on this option in the top right hand corner. From this list you can select that particular country in which your favorite payment method is available. For example, Stripe is available in United States, Ireland and some of other countries, but it is not widely accepted. So if you want to use Stripe as the payment method for your website, you can simply choose United States as your country and click on the option of see more payment options. Now over here you will see Square as well, but in order to get Stripe, simply scroll down and click on the option of see options. So here we have Stripe. If you just go back, you will see all of the payment methods that are widely accepted in the United States or the country that you have selected. So let's say you want to connect Klarna to your Wix website. So you need to simply click on the connect option right next to it, then scroll down and select the option of connect. Now here you can also provide your Klarna API username and password from the Klarna application in the website, and you can simply click on the connect option in order to connect the payment method. Similarly, you can connect PayPal over here. So if you want to connect PayPal, simply press connect right next to it, then scroll down and provide your PayPal email address, then click on the connect option and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.